Okay, hey, here we go. My name is Gary Cleveland, and you know what time it is. It is story time. All right, hang on. Let me tell you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You know what time it is. If you do need a story, though, and you got 30 minutes, you got to kill 30 minutes, watch a video of mine that's called The Luckiest Day of My Life. Check that story out. That is a knife story. That's a knife story you will never forget. Alright, I don't want to spoil it for you, but anyway, you got 30 minutes to kill, watch that video. Other than that, giveaway, let's go. Alright, so, first, how the names were chosen. Alright, so, everybody left a comment that entered you to win. You know what I did? I actually, this time, I went through and I read the comments, and I, paid attention to what people said, and then I presented the options to my son. His name is Oscar. You guys already probably have heard of him. He's 13, and he got the final decision on the two final winners. All right, and so here we go. So the winner of just the trainer and 3 Sacred Cashcow stickers, the winner of that is Rotting Roadkill. Rotting Roadkill is the winner of the trainer and the stickers. Alright, and the grand prize winner, here we go. 2 Sacred Cashcow stickers, the brand new cheap Chinese trainer, and the dirty money, the unlaundered money. Who has won it? Who has won it? You guys ready? This is always so depressing because I know a bunch of you guys are about to get bummed out. Hopefully you won't be bummed out for long. Sacred Cashcow's got a CD coming out. Hopefully somehow I'll be able to stoke you guys out, or, something. I don't know. At least give you some good music. Alright, so the winner, the grand prize winner, the money, the knife, the stickers is the Lost. Alright, so there you have it. So those 2 people right there. Here's how to get up with me. YouTube has removed the I'm sorry to everybody else. I'm so sorry. Alright, better luck next time. I'll have more giveaways. Don't worry. I have more trainers, so just stay tuned. YouTube has removed the private message feature. So what I'm going to give you here is an old email address of mine, which I still know the password to. I never checked this thing, but here's what you need to do. Is I don't need your real name. All I need is a mailing address. Could be your friend, your neighbor, anyway. All I need is a mailing address to put your stuff in and send it to you. That's all I need. I don't need your real name. Here is the email address to send that to. Work with the best at allpromovers.biz. So there you go. Yeah, send me your address, and the goods are in the mail. All right, you guys stay tuned, stay cool. I'm sorry to everybody else who didn't win. That's always the bummer part about this, but for a couple people anyway, they're stoked. Hopefully. All right, you guys stay tuned, stay cool, and we'll see you soon.